Think about the last time you experienced a power outage. Did you have reliable lighting available? What about alternative power sources? In this video, we're diving into essential energy and lighting solutions every prepper should consider. Whether you're preparing for a power outage, natural disaster, or other emergencies, having reliable sources of light and power can make all the difference. We'll cover everything from flashlights and lanterns to generators and alternative energy options, ensuring you're equipped to handle any situation. Let's get started. Let's start with flashlights. They're an essential part of any emergency kit. It's a good idea to have a variety of different sizes and qualities. Keep larger, more powerful flashlights in key areas of your home, like your kitchen and the garage, while smaller, inexpensive ones should be in every room for easy access. If the power ever goes out, everyone in my family always knows there's a flashlight in a drawer nearby. When choosing flashlights, pay attention to the brightness level, which is measured in lumens. Higher lumens means brighter light, which is crucial when you need to see clearly in the dark. Make sure to stock up on various types of batteries that your flashlights use, such as AA and AAA. Also, be sure to have some USB rechargeable flashlights as well. These are convenient because you can recharge them from any USB source, which saves money on batteries over time. Look for high-quality, durable flashlights that can withstand drops in harsh conditions. Next up are headlamps. These hands-free devices are great for tasks like repairing equipment or navigating through dark areas. When choosing a headlamp, look for features like adjustable brightness settings, which allows you to customize the light output based on your needs. A red light mode is particularly useful if you want to avoid being easily spotted at a distance, as red light is less visible than white light. This feature can help you maintain a lower profile when necessary. Make sure to keep extra batteries readily available for your headlamps. Keeping a few spare batteries in your emergency kit ensures you won't be left in the dark. Now let's discuss lanterns. Lanterns provide 360-degree ambient lighting, making them perfect for family gatherings or when you need to light up larger spaces. You have several options for lanterns. Battery-powered or solar lanterns are both excellent choices. LED lanterns are especially great because they're energy efficient and long-lasting, offering reliable light without draining your power supply. If you prefer a more traditional approach, kerosene lanterns can be incredibly effective during extended power outages. Just remember to follow safety guidelines when using fuel-based options to avoid any fire hazards. Candles are another great lighting option, especially for long-term use. They can provide both warmth and light, making them versatile for various situations. You can choose from different types like tea light for short-term use or larger pillar candles for extended lighting. Safety is crucial when using candles. Always use sturdy holders and keep candles away from flammable materials to prevent fire hazards. It's also wise to stock up on emergency candles, as these are designed to burn longer than regular candles, ensuring you have a reliable light when you need it the most. It's important to note that power outages can lead to an increase in fire hazards. As people turn to alternative lighting sources like candles, the risk of accidental fires rises. To stay safe, always keep fire extinguishers nearby and ensure everyone in your home knows how to use them. Lastly, solar lights can be a great addition to your emergency plan. Solar garden lights are perfect for outdoor areas, providing illumination without needing a power source. They harness sunlight during the day, so you can simply place them outside to charge and bring them in at night for added light. For more portable options, consider solar lanterns. These are easy to carry, making them ideal for camping trips or emergency use. They help you maintain lighting without relying on traditional batteries, making them a practical choice for various situations. Moving on to energy solutions, let's talk about batteries. Stockpiling various types like AA, AAA, and 9V ensures you're ready for any situation that arises. It's also a good idea to include rechargeable batteries along with a solar charger for them. This way, you can keep your essential devices powered without relying solely on disposable batteries. Consider organizing your battery stockpile by type and keeping them in a cool, dry place to extend their shelf life. Also, regularly check expiration dates and rotate them to ensure you're always equipped with functional batteries. Portable solar chargers are essential for keeping devices like phones and radios powered during emergencies. Some chargers even come equipped with built-in flashlights and emergency radios, making them multifunctional tools for survival situations. This versatility ensures that you have reliable power and communication when you need it the most. To maximize efficiency, consider placing the solar chargers in direct sunlight during the day. Regularly check the condition of the solar panels to ensure they're free of debris and functioning properly. Gas generators are a reliable option for providing power during outages. They can keep essential appliances running, such as refrigerators and medical devices. However, it's important to remember that their operation is limited by the availability of fuel. Ensure you have a sufficient supply of fuel on hand and test your generator to determine how long it can run on a full tank. Always operate generators outdoors to prevent carbon monoxide buildup, which can be deadly in enclosed spaces. Additionally, store fuel properly, add fuel stabilizer, and rotate it regularly to ensure its effectiveness. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your generator running when you need it. You might also consider dual fuel generators, which can run on both gasoline and propane. Propane is much more stable and can be stored for years without degrading, making it a reliable backup fuel source during emergencies. This flexibility allows you to diversify your fuel options, ensuring you have power when you need it most. Solar generators provide a cleaner, quieter alternative to gas generators. They harness solar energy to deliver renewable power without the noise associated with gas-powered units. Depending on the model, solar generators can power small appliances, lights, and even recharge batteries, making them a versatile tool for emergencies. These generators are particularly useful for those looking to maintain a sustainable energy source during outages. They require minimal maintenance and can be a reliable option in a pinch. Lastly, don't overlook alternative energy sources. Wind and hydropower can effectively supplement your energy needs. Depending on your location, small wind turbines and water generators might be suitable options. Research local resources and regulations to determine what fits best into your preparedness strategy. Exploring these alternatives can provide additional energy options during emergencies, helping you stay self-sufficient when traditional power sources are unavailable. When it comes to temperature management, staying warm is essential. Ensure you have plenty of adequate blankets and warm clothing readily available. For quick heat, consider using portable propane or kerosene heaters, but always prioritize safety by ensuring proper ventilation to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. You can also set up a small tent in your living room to create a microclimate for your family to sleep in. Wood can also be an effective heating solution. Store enough seasoned firewood, especially in colder climates, and consider investing in a good wood stove that provides consistent heat without relying on electricity. It's important to learn proper safety and maintenance practices to ensure a safe heating environment. On the flip side, staying cool is just as crucial during power outages, especially in hot weather. Battery-operated fans can be invaluable for circulating air and providing relief in sweltering conditions. These fans are portable and can help create a more comfortable environment when traditional air conditioning isn't available. For extreme heat situations, consider having a portable air conditioning unit. Portable AC units can be very effective in smaller spaces. Also, consider having cooling towels on hand, as they can provide immediate relief by lowering body temperatures. Staying hydrated is also essential, so keep plenty of water available to help maintain your body temperature. Let's talk about energy conservation. Simple practices like unplugging non-essential devices can extend the life of your power sources. Consider using smart power strips. These are effective tools for managing energy consumption, allowing you to easily cut power to multiple devices with a single switch. Incorporating these practices into your routine can help maximize efficiency and ensure that your energy resources last longer. Regular maintenance of your energy-related equipment is essential to ensure everything functions properly when you need it. Periodically check battery levels to ensure they're fully charged and ready to use. Keep solar panels clean and free from debris to maximize their efficiency and power output. Additionally, service your generators regularly to confirm they're operational and ready for deployment. By taking these proactive steps, you can prevent unexpected issues during emergencies and ensure your equipment is always in top condition. Consider the benefits of community preparedness efforts. Engaging with your neighbors to share resources and information can be invaluable during challenging times. Setting up a neighborhood group focused on sharing equipment, knowledge, and support can significantly enhance everyone's preparedness and resilience. These groups can facilitate skill sharing, organize training sessions, and create a support network for emergencies. Building strong connections in your community not only improves individual readiness, but also fosters a collective response during crises. Being prepared with the right energy and lighting solutions enhances your resilience during emergencies. Take the time to assess your needs, stock up on essential gear, and develop a plan that includes community support. That way, you and your family will be ready for whatever challenges come your way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who could benefit. Join the Texan Prepper community by hitting that subscribe button and leaving a comment down below. I love hearing from y'all. Make sure to keep an eye out every week for another video on emergency preparedness. Stay safe, keep prepping, and I'll see you on the next one.